Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to send a voice message on Facebook Dating. It's a simple feature that can make your conversations feel more personal and engaging, so let's get into it. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure Facebook Dating is available in your region, such as the United States, Canada, or other supported countries. You can always check availability on Facebook's official site. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner to access your account menu. From there, scroll down until you see the option to view more features. After expanding the menu, look for the dating option or the matches section. If you don't see it right away, make sure your account meets the basic requirements. You must be at least 18 years old and your Facebook account needs to be in good standing. Tap on Matches to see the list of people you've connected with. Choose the person you want to send a voice message to and tap on their profile to open your chat conversation. Inside the chat screen, you'll notice a microphone icon next to the text input field. To record a voice message, press and hold the microphone icon and start speaking. Try to speak clearly and naturally, and feel free to say something friendly or lighthearted. When you're finished, release the microphone to stop recording, then send the message to your match. A helpful tip is to keep your voice message short, around 10 to 15 seconds, and use a warm, upbeat tone. This can really grab attention and help create a stronger connection. That's all for this one. Thank you for watching.